Today we're going to learn how to make an origami cootie catcher or fortune teller. So if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to show you that right now on how to get one. You're going to take a full sheet of paper and you're going to fold it corner ways like that. You want to make sure it's nice and even as possible. Then you're going to want to take, and if you're a child, get an adult to help you with this part. Scissors are sharp and dangerous. And you want to cut that off. When you do, you'll end up with a square sheet of paper like this. So today we're going to learn how to make an origami cootie catcher or fortune teller, or whatever you want to make it into. These fun origami fortune tellers or cootie catchers are easy to make and simple to play with. Follow the step-by-step tutorial to find out how. If you grew up in the 90s, it's likely that you remember folding these origami fortune tellers at school. To do this, you will need a square sheet of paper. Any paper will do. Printer paper is perfect. Start with your paper. Start by folding the square sheet of paper in half diagonally both ways, ending up with a nice X. So I'm going to do this. Oops. Okay, try that again. We're going to do this. There. Worked out that time. Then like this. There. Now, so we're going to fold all four corners in like this. Nice and neatly and as evenly as possible. Okay. And just like that. Okay, then we got all four corners folded in. Flip the paper over to the other side and fold them all in again the other way. And there we go. Now, you're going to fold the paper in half, top to bottom, then unfold it, and then you're going to take and fold it right to left, or left to right, whatever way, doesn't matter, the opposite way. There. Now you got it folded that way, and you got it folded that way. So now, you're going to keep it folded half. You're going to flip it over. And you're going to take and kind of open it up like this. And now it's complete. But I like to write on mine. So we're going to open it up, and we're going to take and I'm going to grab some markers. You know what? I'll grab some crayons. Yeah, crayons will work. Okay, so we're gonna do, let's see, I'm gonna do green. So let's see, make sure I got this on the right side. Yep. So the part where you open it up, you're gonna want to take and open it up to that part, and you're gonna want to write on the outside 4 colors or something. I'm gonna go green, blue, what else? We'll do red and yellow. Or, let's see. Huh, there's a red. Red. You know what? Yellow is really not that bright. Let's see if I can find purple. There we go. Purple, it's brighter. You can see it better. There we go. Now we're going to flip it over to the other side. And we're going to write numbers. So we're going to go, just take any old pencil crayon. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And, we'll use this color. No, that color's too... Here, we'll try this one. Yeah. 7. And 8. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, we're going to open it up. We're going to write on the inside. I'm going to use a pen for this, just because it's going to be easier. So we're going to write yes, no, maybe, not now, what else? Someday. We'll say no chance. And we're going to do possibly not. Yeah, that's spelled with 2 S's. Possibly not. And maybe. No, wait, we already did that one. That's okay. We're going to do it again. So there we go. There we go. Now, you can close it all back up. And then stick your fingers in there. Open it up. It's nice and open, so you stick your fingers right in there. And you say red. So R-E-D. Then you go 1. So you go 1. And then you go 3. Someday. And there you have it. We have a origami cootie catcher, or a fortune teller. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.